Right, we got 5 Poke Red packs to open with the Calzone and the Little Junior. Little Junior, Patches Junior, says we're going to get 2 gold packs. Let's see if she's right. We're starting off with the red, so not the lowest one. Ooh, I got another Evolving Cries. Lost Origin, Obsidian Flame, Silver Tempest, Chilling Rain.
Wow, that's a pretty good setup.
And then let's see what's in our extra pack.
Cosmic Eclipse.
Fates Collide. Is that a good set?
Yeah, they're like $23 a pack.
$23 a pack. Wow.
Something like that.
So there's going to be Evolved Skies and then that one.
Okay.
Starting with the Lost Origin. We got a Seal, Shuppet, Machop, Pika, Fortune Sisters, and a Poliwrath. An Obsidian Flame. Please give us the Alt Art Charizard Prestige. And we got a chance for Little Junior. Snubble, Capsicid, Jewelbur, Cupchew, Charmeleon, Escadrille, Pidgeotto, Bloom, Heatmore, Togekiss. Dang it, we got the Charmeleon. That was a perfect time to bring the Charizard. Alright, Silver Tempest. Let's go. Let's get us a Trainer Gallery. Silver Tempest. Got a Growlithe, Drowsy, Vulpix, Dewpider, Lilligant. Dang it. Chilling Pain.
Come on, Blaziken.
Ralts, Castform, Snowbird, Damask, Coffee, Heracross, Scolipede. Dang it. Alright, Evolving Skies. Don't let us down. Dang it, it's gonna let us down. Unless it's an error pack. Sableye, Drepel, Lilligant. Dang it. Let me down again. Save that to put in my Evolving Skies box later. But we do have a Fates Collide. XY set. Let's see. Let me go through this a bit slowly because this is the older set here. Got a Cottony, a Burmy, Larvitar, Meowth, the Finnegan, Breathe Fire, a Wigglytuff Reverse. Nice reverse on that, that's pretty cool. A Lucario for our rare. The Chinchino, the Kangaskhan, and a Duosion. So nothing crazy in there.
Ooh.
But cool. I mean, it wasn't a green pack, so I mean, I wish you would have got some type of pull out of there. You get like any pulls, really.
Wow.
Gold pack station!
Oh my goodness, let's go.
Wherever they do that thing, I don't know. Oh gosh. Energy's flying everywhere. Got so much energy.
Wow, another gold.
Patches Junior, you're one off of being right, Junior. Got a Voltage, Lost Origin, Obsidian Flame, Silver Tempest, and my Wells favorite, Fusion Strike. Should open the packs before we see what's in it.
Let's open the gold.
The gold. Please be base set. What is this? Base set?
That is base set, Lisa.
It is?
Let me see. I'm pretty sure.
He knows the older packs better, so I'll let him tell me what that is.
That's base set too.
Base set 2? Seriously? Okay. Good job, Little Junior.
And it was just Team Rocket.
Well, we still can get something good one, though, right?
Yeah, well,
Let's start getting some Hiots is what we need, some Hiots. We got a Woobat, Talo, Charmander, Charmeleon reverse. That would have been perfect time to throw in our Charizard, Vivid Voltage.
let's see how much a base set 2 pack is.
Lost Origin. I want to see what's in it. I'm sorry, I can't not open it. Apom, Spinnerack, Litwick, Cresselia, Rockruff, Bufalon. Ooh, Lady Trainer full art.
Ooh, that's nice.
What set is this? Lost Origin. Okay, that's pretty decent. Full art trainer. The lady. Alright, time to put this up. And get our next set, the Obsidian Flames. We got a chance in here. Let's bring the Charizard with it, can we?
Market price is $208. That's the exact same one you just got.
Greybird, Dynamo, Garmarie, Espeon, Sharpedo, Headquarters Reverse, Dene Reverse, and an Ante.
That's the exact same one you just got.
Wow.
Base set 2.
I know with our luck, if we saw it, it'd have like the freaking hollow Charizard in it. That would be our luck. Okay, we got a chance with the Silver Tempest. Give us something good, Silver Tempest. We got a Litten, Phoebus, Dratini, Bruno Reverse, Alan Vulpix Speed Full Art. It's so cute. I haven't gotten this one before. Get him.
Where's that lady for trainer from?
Lost Snore. I am put him in here because he's going in my binder because I don't have him yet. Well, when I eventually make my Silver Tempest binder. So I don't have him yet. Alright, Fusion Strike time.
$7.25.
Should we open the base set now or should we wait till the end of the video?
No.
Melton, Toxel, Gorbice, and Moriloetta. Alright, well, I guess you better open it now because Patches Jr. says we're going to get 2 of them.
Try to be careful with the packaging.
I'm going to be very careful. I'm going to try to not mess it up, which I think I just did.
Damn.
Well, not too bad.
Okay.
Yeah, it almost heals back up.
Okay, cool.
Hey, we got a double colorless energy. And a Poliwhirl. And a Parasect. And a Squirtle. A Gust of Wind. A Meowth. A Rhydahorn. A Paris. A Kangaskhan for the rare. Dang it. And 2 energies. Dang it. I mean, is he worth something though?
Nah, probably at $6.
Dang it. Yeah. Was fun while it lasted, I guess. I mean, one of those has got to be worth something though, right? I mean, it's base set one. Well, we got a green.
Kangaskhan's $2.
How much in a PSA 10 though?
40.
Yeah, we got a green one this
Base
time.
set 2 just not as good as...
Crown Zenith, Lost Origin, Obsidian, Silver, Chilling Rain. And we're at least getting Evolving Skies out of the green. I'd be okay with that.
That's cool, you got another gold.
A Fusion Strike. Your favorite. Starting with Crown Zenith. So at least I didn't tear it like that. Energy Search. Scrub.
I can't believe you got another gold.
Helioptile. Pancham. Pincurchin Reverse and Prince in Sinnoh full art.
Friends
For the Crown Zenith.
Friends in what?
Sinnoh.
What's that mean?
Sinnoh is like the region of Pokemon. Sinnoh.
That's what.
Sinnoh. Lost Origin.
$9.
Binnacle, Murkrow, Wurmple, Clefairy, Licky Tongue, Goomy Reverse, and a Cresselia Hollow. And a regular lady. Obsidian Flame. Transportation.
One's always black.
Dudidamaru, Graverd, LeChunk, Togepi, Fogopass, Vengeful Punch, Skarmory, Serena Reverse, Malamar Reverse, and the Gita Full Art Trainer! Still not the right Gita, but I'll take the Full Art Trainer over the Holo. Any day, stash. This is an extra now. I already pulled her once.
Right.
Too bad it wasn't the Alt Art Gita. But it's better than the Holo Gita, so we'll take it. Okay. Silver Tempest.
We're gonna start going a little faster on these packs. Being slow.
Rebellion.
Right out like 11 minutes.
We got a base set. We had to take our time.
Yeah, but you're going slow with packs that aren't even good.
Wheezing. Fusion Strike. Chance for something in the Fusion Strike.
Gengar.
Kufant. Gilgard. Slugma. Skitty. Gorbis Reverse. Dragapult Hollow. Dang it.
That's not Gengar.
No, that's not the Gengar one. Right color, but wrong poke. Finish. I got another red.
Red.
Better than green. There's our sticker. So that we got a Vivid, Lost Origin, Obsidian Flames, Tempest, and Fusion Strike. And then our red pack we got. Let's see what we got. Come on, be something good.
XY Evolution.
Cosmic Eclipse. That's still good though, right?
Yeah.
Like Chunka 2-time, Little Junior. Junior, you gotta wake up to get us the second gold pack. You're sleeping on the job, Junior. Halo, Charmander, Meowth, Wooper, Cottony, Excadrill, Orbital VMAX. That looks like an Altart of some sort. Don't it?
What number is it?
21.
Okay, look at it.
Heavy voltage sleeves are actually decent. They have like the clear, so you still see like all the good patterns in them. Lost Origin.
$2.
You got a Litwick, Oddish, Lupdisc, a Lynx, Poliwrath, Porygon, and a Spectrier Hollow. Obsidian Flames. We need that Alt Art Charizard again. Okay. Let's see what we got. Boost Charmander, Tatini, Oddish, Terria, Mawili, Tempo, Zigzagoon, and Darkrai Hollow. Dang it. Silver Tempest for the Junior.
Silver Temp.
For Junior.
No chance for stashing.
Probably because Junior's sleeping on the job over there. That's why we only got a Miss Magius.
Oh, we got like the worst base set 2 card there is.
I could at least get a Pika. Fusion Charm.
No chance.
Genghis Khan again. Genghis Khan's like the mime of today's video.
Yeah.
A Cosmic Eclipse. Snorant, Coughing, Jobber, Swirlix, Pikatot. Ooh, the Eevee Reverse is so cute. Oh, the Sylveon! Look how cute he is. I can't be mad because he's so cute.
That's the rare.
I know, he's so cute. I like him. I can't be mad. That Sylveon is too cute to be mad.
Was that last one? Wait, one more.
Last one for this video. We got a green.
Dang.
Well, I mean, we got 2 reds and a gold, so not too surprising. I mean, we did get 2 reds and a gold, so that's decent. Would have been nice to get a silver, though.
That's pretty good.
But we're about to have another video, though, with 5 more. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Junior, gotta wake up. You're flagging. Oh, I'll let her sleep. She's too cool. Got Chilling Pain.
Rain. What else you got? Well, they evolved.
They Evolve, Lost Origin, Obsidian, Silver Tempest, and Chilling Pain.
Oh.
Got the Meowscarada pack. It's always the best pack of They Evolved is the Meowscarada pack.
Well.
Hoppip, Wooper, Noibat, Combi, Skiploom, Dindra, Raichu, Phalanx Reverse, Save Life Reverse, and the Slucking. Well, that one wasn't the best one. Alright, because Junior's sleeping on the job over there. So is Calzona. We need a tiny ass horn. Hey, Lost Origin. Let's get a trainer gallery here or something. Electric. Come on, we need some hits. Need some hits for Stash. Obsidian Flames and the Charizard pack. And we get the Alt Art Charizard. Livita. Frogdio. Electric. Mawile. Togekiss. Dang it. Silver Tempest. Slurpuff and a Zygarde. Dang it. A Chilling Rain, come on, give us like the Blaziken or something good here. We need some pull. I haven't been getting like any hits, really.
So that's a base set 2 pack alone and sold it.
Yeah, with our luck, if we did that, it'd have like a base set Charizard in it. Bomb Snow.
Was that last pack?
No last pack magic on that one.
Dang.